Once again, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I am going to explore Borsora village. Some of you might have heard about Borsora, but you don't know how it looks like. Borsora is a village located in the bordering Bangladesh. It is very close to Bangladesh. Due to its strategic proximity to Bangladesh, it has emerged as a key commercial hub for trade. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing and like and share. There are two ways to go to Borsora. One is from the border area and one is from the main road. From the main road, near the Jeju village, there is one way down. That is the way to Borsora. Today we are going from the border road. The road is bad. Some parts of the road has been washed away by rain during rainy season. To go to Borsora through border road, you have to pass through the village of Mapulun, Tilakau, Situsora, and Shipur. On the way, you can see clearly the Bangladesh and its villages. There is some part that we enter the Bangladesh through the fencing and we came out from the another gate. That is the Bangladesh village, guy. You can see now. This is the Shipur village. In this village, only the Karus are settled here. I don't get a chance to record properly because the BSF they don't allow me to film in this area. Now we are approaching Borsora village. This village is located in the valley. It is so dirty, guys, full with dust particles. This place, is famous for coke, coal and limestone. Today it happens that it is a market day. Every Sunday in Borsora is a market day. The residents live here, mostly they are Karus and Bengali. Only few khasi you can find here.
Lu ada nak ungan